Have you heard of an older company going 10x in less than a year? Not some startup or tiny speculative company, an older business that most investors had already written off. You don't have to wait. As always, I'm giving it up front. This is the story of Micron position in my portfolio. Back in May of 2025, I started dollar cost averaging into Micron at around $98 per share. Most people knew they were old, memory chips are cyclical, why not just buy Nvidia? And I understood their thinking. Micron was established in 1978. It had some ups and downs, but was mostly flat in the past. But sometimes, the best investments are hiding where nobody is looking. The stock wasn't what attracted me, but their business timing was almost flawless, especially in the development of AI infrastructure. This is what I saw. Revenue was growing, profit margins were improving, cash flow was getting stronger, the balance sheet was solid. The company was generating billions of dollars while investing heavily in the next generation of memory products. Everybody was talking about AI chips. Only people who worked in the industry were talking about memory. Every AI model needs enormous amounts of data moving back and forth at incredible speed. The more AI grows, the more advanced memory it needs. That's where Micron came in. What made this story even more interesting was that Micron wasn't just keeping up with excellent competitors like Samsung and SK Hynix. Micron was quietly making major progress in creating high bandwidth memory chips, which are crucial for data centers. Their products were becoming just as fast and more energy efficient. For companies building massive AI data centers, lower power consumption was becoming crucial. When you operate thousands of servers, even small efficiency gains can save millions of dollars. As demand accelerated, Micron's advanced memory products became highly sought after. Customers weren't waiting until the last minute to buy. They were securing supply years in advance. In fact, much of Micron's advanced AI memory production had already been committed well into the future and beyond the beginning of 2027. This wasn't just another semiconductor cycle. It was more of an irreplaceable element of AI build-out, the same way fiber optics were needed for the internet. Now, let's stay balanced. Micron is still a cyclical business. We need to remember this. Memory prices go up, memory prices go down once demand is met. Competition is fierce. Samsung and SK Hynix are world-class companies. And even after a huge run, expectations are much higher than they were in 2025. That's where risk management is essential. No stock goes up straight up forever. But the biggest lesson I learned from Micron is that I can only measure the company by its fundamentals and future prospect. And the stock price surged. Sometimes the biggest opportunities aren't the companies everyone is talking about. Sometimes they're the ones many of us miss. The question is, what company today reminds you of Micron back in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy investing, winning portfolio ideas, and lessons from my own investing journey, subscribe for more, because there is always another opportunity hiding in plain sight.